Hello citizens. With the success of Occupy Wall Street, we have shown the 99% can stand together to achieve important goals in the name of freedom. This is a simple proposal. Our proposal is simple. It does not ask much. Only that you attend and vote in your local and state primaries. Just imagine if suddenly hundreds of corrupt congressmen fell. Just imagine if the hundreds of people who fuel the corrupt Wall Street by taking bribes suddenly found themselves without the ability to run for the seat that they currently hold. Just imagine a Congress that represented the American people regardless of party. Just imagine if for the first time thousands upon thousands of Americans attended and voted in primaries. Can you imagine an election where candidates honestly cared about the people? It's time to take back full control of our democracy by not only protesting and voting, but forcing our candidates through and making current members of Congress fall in line. We not only have the right to vote for our candidates but the right to choose them and keep ineffective people in office from running for the same seat again. We are together. We are strong. We fight for rights and humanity. We are the future. We are anonymous. Expect us.